Hi guys, I need to repair this old bracelet wherein the elastic string got broken and lost its elasticity. I need this elastic bracelet string, and I got one long one measuring approximately 45 centimeters and a big eye needle, a beading needle. We have here the beads, 15 of it, then the beaded spacer, and another beaded spacer. See, these are the broken elastic strings. I need these bead clamps to hold the other end, so when I thread the beads, it won't go out from the other end. So it holds there, the other end. Now I'll thread the beads. The holes are quite small. I need to thread the 3 beads and put the spacer. Next, another 3 until I finish taking all this in the elastic string. I am now on the last bead, threading the last bead. And the spacer. I need another spacer here for the one. Back spacer. 2 spacers. A little small hole. Okay, now I need to double thread it to make it stronger. So I need to thread again back so that I will be placing a double elastic string in each bead to make it stronger. I'll be back after I finish threading all the beads. I am now at the last bead. Here I'm going to go through the bead spacer. Why? It's hard to find all of it. Okay. Now I'm done with all the beads. I need to take out this one and tie it. Remove the needle. Then just take out the clamp. Now I need to tie. One knot, another knot, and the last knot. I hope it won't break. Okay, this is now for a little child bracelet for a kid. This could be bracelet for a kid. Now I need to cut the cut. Got it. So hope it's secured. So I already repaired. So this is finished for a gift, for a kid's gift. Okay, thank you for watching.